Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video is composed of things that I tinkered with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you can click on the links in the comment section below. This video should contain tips and tricks of things that I've learned throughout the year. Now, I only plan on leaving this video posted for about 30 days. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching. Here with Isaac, his 2000 Ford Ranger. He was messing around in here the other day. Got an oil dipstick broke. But while he was in here trying to change the oil, he realized that somebody set an engine in here and they have no bolts on the bracket that holds the engine up. It's just sitting on the bracket with no bolts on it. To the junkyard and got a few bolts for it. Straight in the middle there, you see a bolt missing. Something's going on over there. See on the back if there's a bolt. Can't see any bolts in it. So we're going to try to fit a couple of bolts in here. Bracket. Looks like this thing is, the engine's down about 1.5 inches, almost 2 inches. So we got to jack the engine up, get the bolt hole lined up, then put a bolt in it, a bolt in the top, and see if we can see the front to put a bolt in the front. Its place. Got an 850 turbo. Look at it, typed out when the timing belt was done. Isn't that nice? Look like he made that himself. Let's see if I can guess what year it is. 95. Gonna be my guess. Then you got a Saab 9.5 over there and a V70 with some high mileage on it there. Conrad has a wee bit of blow-by coming out of the oil filler cap with the glove test. Must have missed a little bit of something on the PCV job. Compression is good. 150, 150, 147, 152, 151. So needs an engine mount up front, passenger side, and man, he can drive this thing anywhere. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.